To normal people, this is a fidget toy. But I'm not normal. I see a gemstone mold. So let's see if it works. First, I tested filling the concave areas with hot glue. The front and back side look slightly different, and I believe side 1 will work better as a mold. And I turned out to be right. A small problem is that the hot glue creates a dome, so the gems don't lie flat. So I decided to press the glue down with little discs of baking paper and a fitting flat object. That's better. Next, I wanted to see what happens if I paint the molds before adding the glue. I found out that you can create an interesting pattern by making the paint watery. I let that dry and coated it with more paint. I used my trusty nail polish as well because it can be a bit quicker. Now I just have to fill the molds with glue. Here comes the satisfying part. Oh, come on. That actually worked quite well. I just need to trim the edges. To make glitter gems, the best way I found was to coat the mold with clear nail polish and to sprinkle the glitter on top. I also added a layer of matching paint. There was one more thing I wanted to try: UV resin. I'm trying to be a good example by wearing gloves, having good air ventilation, and even wearing a mask. Of course, I glued the nozzle shut with resin, so I'll just have to rely on my precision. Easy does it. Yeah. Oh. It's okay, I could fix it. That doesn't count. But this is what I meant to do. Precision. I got the best results when I didn't fill the mold completely at first. I swirled the resin around to coat everything and cured it. I got this UV light for nails second hand for £5. I'm still happy about that. Once that was cured, I topped it up with more resin and cured it again. Precision. Looking promising. Now that looks like a gem. An easy way to add color to these gems is to paint the bottom. Shimmery colors will give the gem a shifting effect. Lastly, I wanted to see if I can make the gems clearer with nail polish. And it worked even better than I thought. They're so shiny now. Well, I guess I can add this video to my never-ending gemstone making playlist. And here is another video of me using a toy the wrong way. Tschüss!